Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Political fallout followed 5 failed referendums.
Polls have closed in Friuli Venezia Giulia for 5 national referendums, with voter turnout reaching just under 27.6%. All 5 measures saw nearly identical participation, and the low turnout means the referendums are unlikely to be considered valid.
In Friuli Venezia Giulia, 68 million euros in storm relief was approved.
Beh, intanto è un intervento che coinvolge moltissimi comuni della regione e con il quale, devo dire, anche in collaborazione del governo siamo riusciti a garantire decine di milioni di euro per gli interventi sul territorio, con anche oltretutto anticipi garantiti da Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia stessa.
Trieste launched a new international ferry tender, and the region celebrated new hydrogen and electric buses.
Trieste takes a step toward greener mobility with launch of new electric buses presented this morning in San Giusto.
We present to the city these new buses. These are full electric, 7 new Italian buses from Rampini, the factory that products these buses. They are small but very, very efficient. We have 3 doors, as you can see, like all the buses in Trieste. And these buses are smaller than the normal buses because they go on some streets and roads very difficult. So we have changed this with the old small buses, and we are very proud of this.
We are here because we have a new bus that are for Trieste, for urban lines. A particular case in our region because it's very difficult to use the car and the bicycle, and so the bus is the best way to move inside the city.
Trenitalia modernized its fleet on the Trieste-Venice line.
Trenitalia has completed the renewal of its fleet on Trieste-Venice line, introducing modern double-decker trains for all regional high-speed services. The upgrade is part of a €400 million investment plan, including new hybrid trains and more space for bikes and luggage.
We have many new trains, but also a new system to buy the ticket to use the train. So you can use your credit card and easily buy a ticket that is not material, but you can use only your smartphone to go by train in our region.
Today we are 10 trains delivered, and so we have Trieste, the line Trieste-Venezia, all operated with double-decker trains. And another news is that we launch the new service Tap and Tap. When you live from Trieste to Udine via Cervignano or via Gorizia, you can purchase your ticket simply by touching the validator, and at the station you depart and at the station of the arrival, and automatically the system will charge the best fare of the day, of the week, of the month.
Friuli Venezia Giulia welcomed summer early this weekend. It feels like summer this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. See what people are up to.
Going to the sea.
Where?
Here in Barcola.
Nice. You the same with her?
Yeah, I'm going to the sea. Eat something, and after go around the city, and tomorrow I will work. So
to Lignano Sabbiadoro, you know where
Yes.
is it?
Yes,
and
yes,
we are just eat something here, and then we go to Lignano.
You can enjoy the beach, and then again.
Tomorrow with my friends. There will be a party with music, good vibes, good people.
Piani per il weekend, domani parto per Milano.
Any study?
and I am free today, but tomorrow I have to work, so
I will just work today here, and maybe tomorrow I'll be home study.
To the concert of Pinguini Tattici Nucleari.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.